I'm Allison Pryor, and I do acrylic paintings for the beginner step by step in real time so you can follow along with me. Now today I was just thinking about showing you some of the mediums that are on the market and how to use them. So be lots of stuff coming up and you stay right there. Something else I have here is a floating medium. Floating mediums are also good for when you're doing flowers, and it makes your paints flow better. And I also have a blending gel, which is nice. It makes your drying time longer. And I have this one here is called True Snow. I don't know if you can get it on Amazon now or not, but I just have it here, so I just thought I'd tell you about it. And when you put that on, it's really thick, and it makes your paintings, if you're doing snow, it makes the snow look almost real. You see how thick it is. It's really thick. And I'll be showing you all that in my next video. Alright, so lots of good stuff on the go. I also have here masking fluid. Now masking fluid is good for if you want to put that on your paint, put little white spots on your paint like flowers, and you put that masking paint on and then you let it dry, and you can paint over the area and then you just wipe it off, just rub it off with your finger. It's pretty hard on your brushes, so you have to make sure you can clean your brushes really well. Another thing I have here is a brush and studio cleaner. And that's good for cleaning your brushes for oil or acrylics. And I'll show you how to use that again later too in my next video. I have a few videos coming up on how to use your brushes and how to clean your brushes and how to enhance your paintings and make them look really pretty and bring out the colors and change them almost to an oil painting. And you will love how they look. And this is a painting that I have coming up. And if you want the links to any of these paintings that I'm doing, that if you don't have them right now, just let me know and I'll send you a link. So these are just some paintings that I was doing, and I will teach them to you. So now I will show you how to use these mediums to enhance your paintings. Hi guys, so now I'm going to show you how to use the mediums, and I'm just going to show you how to use the mediums, the painting with a medium and without a medium, and we'll see what works best. And you can always try gels to extend your drying time. So this is a blending gel, okay, and this blending gel will supposed to help your paints blend better and extends the drying time. So I'm going to put some of that on my palette. Alright, just going to put a little bit on my palette. So there it is. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to try, because I have this in squares, I'm just going to try this one first. So what I'm going to try is I'm going to put my clean brush, and just a Filbert, any flat brush, and you can use synthetic. And I'm just going to put the blending gel on first. Now, I find the blending gel is good for small areas. I think it would cost you a lot of money to get a blending gel for a huge canvas. So that's entirely up to you. But I think it's good for small areas and maybe 11 by 14 canvas, even a 16 by 20. But this is supposed to extend the drying time. So I just put that on there. Now I'm going to leave it on my brush also, okay, just so that there's no need to wipe it off because we want to use it anyway. So let's say we're doing a sky. So now we'll just paint as normal. Take some blue paint and some white, lighten up your sky color, okay. So we're just paint as normal. So we're doing a sky. So we do our sky. And now the blending gel is on there. So we want to blend. So we just go back and forth, same as we would as we're painting. And we'll just go back and forth. I'm finding it's making a little more transparent. Okay, so I'm getting streaks. but that's okay. It could be just me. Who knows? Who knows? Anyway, so we'll take another color. We'll take some more white. So we'll take some more white. And we'll put the white on. Now, blending gel is on there. It's extending the drying time. And we'll find out now if it's going to work with or without. So this is with blending gel. Alright. And then we will add a little bit of red. Let's see. A little bit of red. A little bit of red, okay, because we'll blend that in. So it's for blending. It's called blending gel. So we'll blend that into the blue. There we go. It looks really nice. And we'll blend it down this way. Come down. Maybe we'll add a little more white. If we're doing a sky, that's probably what we would do. But because we're using the blending gel, you should be able to get it to blend. I find a lot of people say to me, I can't get my acrylic paintings to blend because they dry too fast. Well, try the blending gel and see if that works. Now, we'll add another color. Now don't forget the blending gel is on your canvas, and I'm going to pick up some yellow, and I still have a bit of blending gel on my brush. So we'll work with this and see what happens. So it is nice and smooth, and it's blending right up into the red and back down again. And we'll add a little white to brighten it up. Hopefully you can see it okay. Yeah, it feels smooth too. I can feel the smoothness of the blending. It's still wet up here. It's nice. Yep. Small areas, I think the blending gel will work, like flowers and smaller areas. Well, anything that you want to blend, if you want to blend skies or different colors together, if you want to blend different colors together, that would work really well. Blending gel works really well like that. So that's a nice little sky with blending gel. That's not too bad at all. And it kept it nice and wet. Yeah. And it blended really well. How nice it blended. Isn't that nice? Now, blending gel, if you're having a hard time blending your colors with acrylic paint. Now this one over here, I have no blending gel on there, okay? None. So let's try it without blending gel. Let's see how we can blend our acrylic painting colors without blending gel. Just let's go as normal. We get our blue paint. Stay away from the blending gel so I don't get mixed up there, so I can show you what happens. And we'll just make our little blue sky. No blending gel. Okay, it's still nice and smooth. Good. I'm just gonna go back and forth, back and forth. There's no blending gel on my brush or on my canvas. Okay, that's there nice now. Okay, we'll get ready now to put on our other color, which was red. Okay, I probably add a little too much red, so what I'll do is I'll get some white. I'll get some white. There we go. Now, if you don't have blending gel or you don't want to use blending gel, look, see see what happened there? The paint, the blue paint dried that fast that now I'm painting over the blue and I'm losing my blue. Okay, so look, we're losing it. But if you had the blending gel on there, you wouldn't lose that blue up there. It would blend well, okay? So that's the difference. So let's go with our yellow now. Alright, now I'm going with our yellow. And we'll add a little white. Sometimes you add lots of paint, it'll blend well, but you got to be pretty quick. You got to be pretty quick. See, it's still wet up here, so it's blending pretty good. But now the blue is after drying, and when we go up here, and now the pink up here is starting to dry, and I'm only just covering it up. So yeah, there is a nice difference. If you use blending gel, you're going to be able to blend your acrylic paints, your colors, much better. As you can see the difference. See that? So that's the difference. So blending gel, no blending gel.